Call Allah Yahweh B'Hashem Yahushai B'Hashem Kodash. All praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh B'Hashem Yahushai B'Hashem Kodash. And giving double honors to the elder apostles, the elder bishops, the great millstone, who well. Peace and salutation to the election of the nation of Israel. Starting with 144,000 prophets who have the words of Yahweh B'Hashem Yahushai B'Hashem Kodash. They have the testimony, the Aywath. And we'll preach, of course, this gospel, this truth, and sincerity. And shalom to the rest of the remnant of the Sha'ariyath, or the rest or remainder of the election, whom are no prophets, men, women, and children, whom the Lord will have mercy upon, which will have ears to hear and eyes to see, to believe this truth. Shemya Mappa, my name is Mappa from the Great Millstone Plaintables Camp. Just coming with this current event. So you have it here. I believe this is Dabu 7. It popped up under Surviving End Times. Possibly he may have changed his YouTube handle or his name. But as of I believe it'll be maybe April the 2nd. We'll double check. There was an earthquake of a magnitude of 7.5 through 7.7 over in Taiwan.
Going on, guys, we have reports now of at least 2 big quakes. It may be one, but it's showing 2 on the earthquake maps. Have rocked the area of Taiwan. We know somewhere in the range of a 7.3 to 7.5 magnitude earthquake is hit right on the coastline of Taiwan. It has caused several buildings to collapse and to fall. You can see here in this clip, this building just barely standing still, leaning and partially collapsed from this earthquake. There are a bunch of buildings like this with people trapped and under the rubble. We can see here from the earthquake map the region right there where it struck, listing a 6.5 here with the smaller looking quake, and a 7.3, 7.4 there on the larger quakes. But you can see it's right there on the coastline. So this could generate a tsunami, with tsunami waves that come in rather quickly on the coastline. Not sure exactly how the fault slipped here in this situation. I'm not seeing immediate tsunami warnings, but if I start to see them, I'll throw them in the title, and I'll be tweeting out updated information. But as you guys seen, buildings already coming down. This has caused a lot of devastation thus far. Be sure to follow me on Twitter for more on.
All right, so that's what we have. And it would be nice if I could find some raw video. Earthquake in Taiwan. Apparently 821 are injured. They saying only 9 killed. You know, we got people trapped. We go on YouTube. He said it was felt all over Taiwan and the offshore islands. Strongest in 25 years. Look at that. Look at that. Bridge shaking. Dudes on their bike like, whoa. Damn, look, the whole structure. Look at the entire structure of this bridge was rocking. Just like that, the Lord can destroy all infrastructure. Just like that. Okay? Nothing. Wow. Look at that. He's rocking. Look at that. Look at that rock. And these are end time signs. So I believe that should be it. Alright, so as you can see, destruction is there. And that's of the Lord's presence. This is the book of Matthew chapter 24. Shows you about some of the different end time warnings of the return of Hamashiach, the anointed one, which is Yahushua, who the world even called Jesus Christ, or knowingly call him a different name, knowing of the name of Yahushua. So it says here, Matthew chapter 24 and 3, and as he sat upon the Mount of Olives, the disciples came unto him privily, saying, Tell us, when shall these things be, and what shall be the sign of thy coming, and of the end of the world? Sign. You have Simeon, which goes into a token. Alright. Unusual occurrences. Alright. Have it of the end of the world being the end of an age of rulership of Esau, Edom, who of course, prescribes himself to be wheat, but isn't he? He's actually an Edomite, Adawam, which means red. Alright. It says, And Yahushua answered and said unto them, Take heed that no man deceive you, for many shall come in my name, saying, I am anointed, and shall deceive many. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilences and earthquakes in diverse places. Okay? This is a earthquake. And all these are the beginning of sorrows. Alright, this is the book of it's a lot of good precepts. Let's go get Nahum chapter 1. And it says, The mountains quake at him, and hills melt, and the earth is burned at his presence, yea, the world and all that dwell therein. Okay? It's talking about Yahweh Hashem Yahushai. Mountains quake at him. Alright? It'd be twofold, with the governments but also the mountains, they quake at them, at the Lord's presence. All right, because the Lord is visiting the world. All right, so this is Nahum chapter 1 and 2. It says Yahweh Shemel Shai is jealous, and Yahweh revengeth. The Lord revengeth and is furious. The Lord will take vengeance on his adversaries, and he reserveth wrath for his enemies. And Moab is one of the enemies of the nation of Israel, of the Lord. Despite the fact there is Israelites amongst Moab, coverted, there's Israelite foreigners. Okay. You can go back even in, I think, Numbers with Balaam and Balak. But I'm going to get another scripture concerning what I was mentioning. Give me a moment. Let's find the one I want. Use this scripture. This is Jeremiah 48 and 42. And Moab shall be destroyed from being a people because he had magnified himself against Yahweh. All right. And Moab, them people over there, they're very proud. This is Ezekiel chapter 25 and 11. I will execute judgments upon Moab, and they shall know I am the Lord Yahweh. All right. Mawa'aba, which is Moab, and basically in or upon Moab. Aisha Adu. And you have Shapatiyam, or judgments. Wa Yadai. Wa and what's it? Shall know. Yeah, shall know it. Wa it. Kaya for and Yah. Yeah, I am Yahweh the Most High. That's in the Hebrew. Wa ba ma wa abba Aisha Shapat Yum Wa Yadai Wa Kaya and Yah Yahweh. And I will execute judgments upon Moab, and they shall know I am Yahweh. Alright? Thus saith the Lord Yahweh, because Edom hath dealt against the house of Judah by taking vengeance, and hath greatly offended, and revenged himself upon them. This therefore said the Lord Yahweh, I will stretch out my hand upon Edom, and I will cut off man and beast from it. Right, that's also to our enemy Esau, Edom, too. And I will make desolate from Teman, and they of the Dan shall fall by the sword. Alright? So, the Lord bringing judgment. So, end time prophecies stay updated. There's also like I seen like there's like an active volcano. It might be in Iceland. Alright. Look at this right here. Which Iceland is absolutely beautiful. I would love to go there. But yeah, this is Iceland. Live right now. So the Lord is moving. Okay. Here you got this information right here. Different earthquakes. Seismic monitoring, automatic location depth and magnitude estimation. Okay, so alright, so shalom to the elect.